In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,525 in commission just in 26 days just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, how you can use free traffic to promote your affiliate links from YouTube, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information and those new methods that I will share for free. And let's get started. So I made this commission in the month of May, okay, from the first day of May until the day 26th of May, okay. I made $15,525 just by using free traffic from YouTube, okay. Anyway, I'm not here to show you I made this commission. I'm here to show you guys how we can do the same and how we can start affiliate marketing on YouTube to start making money, okay. So let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr like this, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay. It's super easy. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission. From my experience, guys, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Why? Because they are really paying a good commission. If just 2 or 3 people can buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $100 just from 2 or 3 people, okay. Anyway, just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So what you will do next, you just need to put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, okay. And you need to choose your country over here and choose your language, okay. It's really easy and simple. And if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's gonna take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate dashboard account, okay. So it's really good and it's easy. So what you need to do next is you need to choose which services you should start promoting on YouTube to earn commission, okay. And I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate link that I'm promoting on YouTube and how do I find a good services that I need to promote on YouTube to earn commission, okay. So what you will do next, you will go to your YouTube homepage. Just open your YouTube homepage like this, okay. It's super easy. Click on the search over here, okay, and ask questions. So for example, you will ask, let's say for example, how to create, okay, how to create, let's say WordPress, for example, website, and here you go. You just need to ask any question, okay, and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for on YouTube, okay. You can ask how to create, how to make, how to do, how to find, and so much more, okay. And YouTube will give you topics that people are searching for. This is report search prediction, as you can see, okay. People are searching for how to create WordPress websites, how to create WordPress websites for free, how to create WordPress theme, how to create WordPress website with free domain, how to create WordPress account, okay. So what we will do, let's take this topic, how to create WordPress websites. And so before we took this topic, I want to show you this, guys. So guys, you don't know the potential of YouTube. Did you know that YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors? You guys don't know the potential of YouTube, that the free traffic that you can get from YouTube, so much traffic, okay. Because YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number 1 and YouTube is number 2, okay. Anyway, so let's talk this topic, how to create WordPress websites. I will go back to my homepage on Fiverr and I will click on the search and I will search for WordPress, okay, like this. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. Why you should choose good seller? So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they have good reviews, they are making a really a good service for their customers, those people will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, anyway, let's choose, for example, let me show you. Let's choose this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews. Okay, you will click on his service and he is providing fast delivery. Okay, let me see. Let's use this one. You will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. You can see how many orders this seller has in queue. Do you see how many orders this seller has sold? How many WordPress website services this seller has sold? Okay, which people will buy this service? Of course, those people who are searching for how to create WordPress websites. Okay, yes, I agree with you guys. A lot of people are just searching for how to create WordPress websites for free. Okay, yes, I agree with you. But of course, we have in the other side other people who will be ready and will be interested to buy good WordPress websites. If you give those people who have money a good service that will help them to create an amazing and professional branding WordPress website, of course they will buy. Okay, so that's why you need to choose sellers like this one who has a lot of reviews and who is like top rated seller, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers. Okay, so what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link. Okay, just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. Okay, just click over here. You have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, post back, sub affiliates. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and it's gonna take you to this page like this. Click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. Here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page. Okay, so what you need to do next is just click on the video. Okay, click on his video like this. Let's check. And I want guys, always make sure to choose sellers who has videos. In those videos they are explaining their services for their customers, and that's really good because videos are better than pictures. That's really, so for example, like this one, he's using video to explaining his service. That's really good. So what you will do, double click on the video, click on save video, and save this video to your laptop. So just click on save. I'm gonna name it WordPress, for example. Click on save. Okay, after you finish, go back to Google, search for Canva. Okay, like this. Click on the first link and sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After, you just need to use your email address and that's it. After you finish, this will be your homepage and you should have an account like this one with Canva. So just come to this page and click over here on video. You will be directly in this page like this. Click over here on upload. Click on upload file and upload this video to your Canva account. Okay, about how to create WordPress websites. This is my video. You will click on open. Your video will be uploaded to your Canva account like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here like this. Click on this 3 points. Click on set video as background and here you go. Click on text. Okay, scroll down and choose which style of text you want to use. Click on this text style, for example, like this. I will use this one. I like to use this one. It's looking good. I will delete the second one and I will keep just this one. I will decrease the font size of my text and I will put my text here. Double click on your text and write the sentence. Check. Okay, check link in my description. Check link in my description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, that's why we put this sentence here. So people who will watch our video, they will see this check link in description. They will check our YouTube description. They will find our affiliate link. Okay, and click over here on elements. Scroll down So just keep scrolling down, go to shapes and choose this one and click on color, choose black color, put this shape behind your text like this. It's super easy, okay? And make it like this. It's really easy, guys. And here you go. Okay, let me see. It's looking good. Let's see. Amazing, okay? This seller is showing his work and the example of WordPress website he made for his customers. They are really looking good in the phone, okay? This is in showing how they will look in the phone, and it's looking really good, professional, and the branding, and it's really good. So what you will do next, you will click on share and you will click on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. After you finish, go to your YouTube channel, open your YouTube channel. Guys, it's super easy to create a YouTube channel. It's gonna take just 1 or 2 minutes, okay? And you just need to use your email address and it's for free. After you finish, upload this video to your YouTube channel and put this title for your video. Guys, don't change or add anything, just put this title like this, copy and paste. How to create WordPress websites. Why you should use the same title? Because if you don't use those keywords in your title, people will not find your video in the search result of YouTube, okay? And your video will never rank on YouTube search, okay? In the search result. That's why you should use those keywords. Just copy and paste how to create WordPress website, okay? In your YouTube description, you can create like this. In this video, I show you step by step how to create WordPress website. Get your and in this title, put this: get your WordPress website here, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So I want to explain this, guys. If you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. But for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. You can copy your affiliate link from here, okay? And go and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. And that's it. Stay consistent, grow your YouTube channel, search for what people are searching for, use YouTube search to find good services that people will be interested to buy, start promoting those services, and you will make a lot of money with affiliate marketing using YouTube, using free traffic from YouTube. Of course, yes, the business model, guys, is very simple, but it's not easy. It's gonna take time, it's gonna take consistency and hard work. And if you stay consistent, if you will not quit, you will make commission. I got a lot of message in my email from people who already made commission using my methods that I already shared in my YouTube channel. I'm really happy to hear that. And for people who not made any commission yet, you guys just need to stay consistent, do more research. Also, guys, I'm working on a course that will be launched maybe in the next month. I give this course a lot of time to make it the best affiliate marketing course ever, okay? That will cover everything from scratch. From if you are even beginner, you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, if you follow the steps and the methods inside my course, you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, okay? And that's it. So if you are, guys, interested to see more videos like this, how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Instagram, message on Instagram Reels, how to promote affiliate links on TikTok, how to promote affiliate links on Google for free, and so much more. Comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods that I find and that's I'm working on, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.